Mistplay does not need the same amount of storage as the games you play through the app, because the app itself works as a platform for discovering and tracking mobile games. By the end, you'll know how much storage Mistplay generally needs, what takes up space, and what to do if the app is using too much storage on your phone. The Mistplay app size can change depending on your device, app version, and updates. The initial download is only part of the storage used, because the app may store additional files, updates, and temporary data over time. The games you play through Mistplay usually take up much more storage than Mistplay itself. When you install a game from Mistplay, that game uses your phone's storage separately from the Mistplay app. If your phone is running low on space, check which apps are using the most storage. On Android, open Settings, go to Storage, and review the apps with the largest file sizes. If Mistplay is taking more space than expected, clearing the app cache can help remove temporary files without deleting your account. Open your phone settings, find Mistplay under Apps, select Storage, and use the cache clearing option if available. Avoid deleting app data unless you understand the effect, because it can remove stored information, and may require you to sign back in. Another way to free space is to remove games you no longer play. Since Mistplay tracks your game activity through installed games, uninstalling unused games can recover storage while keeping the Mistplay app installed. Keeping Mistplay updated can also help because newer versions may include performance improvements and fixes. The amount of storage you need depends mostly on your phone, the games you install, and how much temporary data builds up over time. If you only use Mistplay to browse and manage rewards, the storage requirement is usually much smaller than if you install multiple large mobile games. The main points are simple. Mistplay itself is only one part of your storage usage. Installed games usually take more space, and clearing cache or removing unused games can help when storage is low. Check your phone's storage settings first to see what is actually taking up space, then remove the largest unused files or apps. Subscribe for more Mistplay fixes and guides, and like the video if it helped you manage your storage.